Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access help and support in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser. Now, what you need to do is go in the More, which is on the left hand corner, and then click Help and Support. This is the page for help and support. You can click on these links and you can solve your queries and problems. You can see that there are a lot of help support for you. So you can go ahead and click one of these and find your problem, and your problem will be solved. So another option of finding help is simply going in the search bar and then searching for what you need. So if you want to search for password, you can go ahead and search password and links will come about the password. Let me show it to you once again. Go to More, go to Help and Support, and these are the help page. Now to go to support, click on support and create a ticket. Write your question. Enter your selected question, and you can also write details and attach the files for additional information. Write down your problem in description and then click Create Ticket. Now, if your ticket has been created and if your problem is solved, just press on the tick mark and then the ticket will be cancelled. So this is the way how you can open help and support in Onlyfans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.